Hello everyone. Do you believe a vibrant start can sometimes begin with the most natural colors? Today, I'll share a colorful and nutritious juice recipe that I'm absolutely in love with. This isn't just a refreshing drink, it's a true vitamin bomb for your body. The mix of beetroot, carrots, tomatoes, and a kick of ginger will make you feel instantly refreshed. This juice is my secret to staying energized and keeping a sharp mind all day long. Before we begin, I'm curious. Which country are you watching this video from? Leave a comment so I can say hello and connect with you. Now, let's get into the kitchen. First, we start with a red beetroot. I usually prioritize choosing ones that are firm, with smooth skin, and a characteristic deep purple hue. A little tip for you is to wash and peel them right under running water. This prevents the beet juice from staining your hands and cutting board persistently. After that, I'll cut the beet into small pieces. While cutting the beet, I like to share some valuable information I read from Dr. Eric Berg, a well-known expert in natural health and nutrition. He shared that
beets are one of the most naturally nutrient-dense vegetables, especially containing natural nitrates that can support blood flow and help the body feel more energized. In addition, beets contain antioxidants and important minerals that support overall health.
Cutting it small like this helps the blender run more smoothly without jamming, and importantly, ensures we extract the maximum amount of juice. Additionally, beetroot is well known for its excellent anti-inflammatory properties for the body. Next, we'll need 1 carrot. Peel it, wash it thoroughly, and cut it into small, manageable pieces. Carrots are a fantastic choice for the immune system as they are naturally rich in essential vitamins and antioxidants. Notably, the natural sweetness of carrots will make our juice much more balanced, refreshing, and easy to enjoy. The next ingredient is ginger. I break the ginger into smaller sprigs for easier cleaning. Then use a knife to trim away any damaged or withered parts. Next, I soak the ginger in dilute salt water for about 5 to 10 minutes to sanitize it and soften the dirt in the crevices. Then I use a small brush to scrub the joints thoroughly. Here's a fun fact. Using a brush to scrub the ginger crevices doesn't just remove dirt, it also stimulates the epidermal cells to release essential oils from the surface. This makes the ginger's aroma much more intense the moment you start slicing it. Rinse with clean water and let it drain. I'll keep the skin on and slice it thinly. According to nutritionists, ginger skin contains many essential oils and beneficial compounds that help improve digestion, warm the body, and soothe the stomach. I absolutely love the rich aroma of ginger. It adds a deep layer of flavor to this juice. Now, add the beetroot and carrots to the blender first. Don't forget to add about 70 to 100 milliliters of filtered water to help with the blending process. I'll blend at medium speed until these hard vegetables are completely broken down. Dividing the blending stages helps protect the blades and ensures all nutrients are fully released. Once the mixture starts to get smooth, add the ginger and blend for another 15 seconds. A small tip: ginger breaks down very quickly and its essential oils evaporate easily, so adding it last helps preserve its full aroma and signature warmth. The next ingredient is tomatoes. I soak them in dilute salt water for a few minutes. Then rinse thoroughly with fresh water and cut them into small pieces. Soaking them in salt water like this gives me extra peace of mind regarding cleanliness before use. Tomatoes are packed with natural antioxidants. This specific ingredient adds a refreshing touch, making our juice well-balanced and much easier to enjoy. After cleaning, I'll slice the tomatoes into small pieces. This helps them blend quickly with the other ingredients in the blender. As you can see, these juicy tomato slices not only add color, but also provide a rich amount of natural water for our smoothie. After the fruits and vegetables are ready, I'll add a bit of fresh green parsley. This isn't just an ordinary herb, it's the secret weapon that elevates the flavor of our juice. I'll wash each sprig thoroughly under running water to remove all dirt. Careful cleaning helps maintain total purity and safety for consumption. Next, I'll add all the sliced tomatoes. The juicy tomatoes will help thin out the mixture and make it much easier to blend. Finally, the parsley sprigs. I'll simply twist them by hand and drop them straight into the jar to preserve all the aromatic essential oils. Now, I'll turn on the blender and process the entire mixture for another 30 to 60 seconds until everything is perfectly smooth. Final step, prepare a large bowl and a mesh strainer. Pour the entire mixture from the blender into the strainer. Then, use a spoon to press firmly down on the surface to extract every drop of the nutrient-rich juice, leaving nothing to waste. After straining out all the pulp, I'll pour the juice into a glass. Just look at that. The juice is smooth with a vibrant and energetic deep red color. Take a look. The resulting juice has a stunning deep red color from the beetroot, blended with the signature pungent aroma of unpeeled ginger and the refreshing notes of tomatoes and parsley. I love this juice for the freshness it brings. This is my secret to detoxifying the liver and cleansing blood vessels in the most natural way possible. It truly is a wonderful vitamin remedy to start my day feeling light and energized. Good luck and stay healthy, everyone. For optimal enzyme and vitamin absorption, drink the juice within 15 to 30 minutes, ideally in the morning. If you have leftovers, pour them into a tightly sealed glass bottle and refrigerate, but consume within 24 hours for the best safety and effect. Do you have a better preparation method? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like if you found this video helpful and share it with your loved ones. Especially press subscribe so you don't miss my next natural health secrets. Thank you for staying with me until the very end. Wishing you all a vibrant and energetic life. Goodbye and see you in the next video.